Garlic lemon tea supports healthy blood sugar levels naturally. My grandmother's blood sugar readings were climbing steadily. Her doctor warned about prediabetes. She felt tired constantly. Then my aunt from Lebanon shared a simple morning ritual: garlic with lemon tea. Within 8 weeks, her fasting glucose dropped from 118 to 96. Her energy returned. I needed to understand why this worked. The science behind this traditional remedy surprised me. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound that activates when you crush or chop the cloves. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows allicin improves insulin sensitivity. Your cells respond better to insulin signals. Glucose enters cells more efficiently instead of accumulating in your bloodstream. Lemon adds vitamin C and citric acid. These compounds slow down carbohydrate absorption in your digestive tract. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adding acid to meals reduces blood sugar spikes by up to 30%. The combination creates a synergistic effect. Here's how we prepared it correctly. Crush 2 garlic cloves and let them sit for 10 minutes. This activates the allicin. Boil water and steep 1 tea bag for 3 minutes. Squeeze half a lemon into the cup. Add the crushed garlic. Let it steep together for 5 more minutes. Strain and drink it warm on an empty stomach. The taste takes adjustment. Garlic tea isn't pleasant initially. My grandmother added a 1/4 teaspoon of raw honey. This made it tolerable without spiking her blood sugar significantly. Consistency matters more than perfection. Timing affects absorption. Drinking this mixture first thing in the morning optimizes its benefits. Your stomach is empty. The active compounds absorb quickly into your bloodstream. Wait 30 minutes before eating breakfast. This allows the garlic and lemon to work without interference. We tracked her blood sugar readings daily. The first 2 weeks showed minimal change. By week 3, her morning readings dropped 5 points. By week 6, she noticed reduced afternoon fatigue. By week 8, her doctor reduced her medication dosage under medical supervision. Garlic also supports cardiovascular health. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health confirms garlic can lower blood pressure slightly. For people managing blood sugar issues, heart health matters equally. Diabetes increases cardiovascular risk significantly. Lemon provides antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress. High blood sugar creates inflammation throughout your body. Vitamin C combats this damage at the cellular level. The combination protects your blood vessels and organs. Portion control remains essential. Garlic lemon tea isn't magic. It supports healthy habits, not replaces them. My grandmother continued eating balanced meals. She reduced refined carbohydrates. She walked 20 minutes after dinner. The tea enhanced these lifestyle changes. Some people experience digestive discomfort from raw garlic. Start with 1 clove instead of 2. Increase gradually as your stomach adjusts. If heartburn occurs, reduce the garlic amount or drink it with a small piece of whole grain toast. Blood-thinning medications require caution. Garlic has natural anticoagulant properties. If you take warfarin or similar medications, consult your doctor before starting this routine. Interaction risks exist. Not everyone responds identically. Genetics, diet, stress levels, and existing health conditions affect outcomes. What worked dramatically for my grandmother might show modest results for you. Realistic expectations prevent disappointment. Monitor your progress objectively. Keep a blood sugar log. Note your readings before starting and track them weekly. This data shows whether the remedy benefits you specifically. Individual responses vary significantly. This approach supports blood sugar management, not replaces medical treatment. Never stop prescribed medications without consulting your healthcare provider. Diabetes requires professional monitoring. Natural remedies complement medical care, they don't substitute it. My grandmother still drinks this mixture 3 years later. Her A1C stabilized at 5.4%. Her doctor calls her a success story. She credits the garlic lemon tea alongside her dietary improvements and daily movement. Preparation consistency matters. Make this part of your morning routine like brushing your teeth. The benefits accumulate over time. Missing occasional days won't ruin your progress, but regular consumption produces the best results. Fresh ingredients work better than supplements. Whole garlic cloves and real lemons contain compounds that capsules can't fully replicate. The synergy of multiple plant compounds creates the effect. If this information resonates with you, try it for 8 weeks. Track your numbers honestly. Share your experience in the comments below